Flippy doopy doop. Ah, let's go. Open the gate now. No! Let's go. Mm. Let's go now. Mm. Oh my god, it's so sunny. Mm. Oh, go. Ride it now. Get on the bike. Let's meet them later. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Mm. Enter the bike now. Go to meet the chicken.
That will just bite me.
Why? Mm.
But I want to have a baby chicken.
A baby cat or a baby chicken?
Oh, Meowsy eating baby. The pink one, Meowsy eating.
That's really sad. Okay, let's go now. I don't want to see this chicken anymore.
Oh, look, there's a friend there. Sitting in the rock.
It's the Garfield?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
That is Garfield. That is real. Right. That is real.
That's a real Garfield?
Yes. Garfield is here.
Okay.
That is Garfield.
Okay, let's go now. Bye, bye Garfield.
Oh, I want to buy something.
Oh. Okay, what do you want to buy?
A slime.
A slime? Oh, there's no slime here.
Oh, there. There. There's slime.
Question, Blaisey?
Wait, now straight like this. Oh, look, there's a. Oh, that isn't a hummingbird. What is a hummingbird?
A hummingbird is a bird that hums.
And it's tiny.
Yes.
And dogs like to eat that.
Yes. Okay. Blaisey.
I want to just buy slime.
To what?
I want to buy slime.
Okay, let's go buy slime.
Here.
Bye bye.
And after can take care of Mama. And Mama was a big girl now.
Aw.
And
Is she though?
Yeah, he's a big sister now.
How many children does Mama Runa have?
Wait. Mama still.
Okay.
When. Oh.
Oh, okay. Go down there. Whoa, Boofy. Yeah. Ask you, did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Was it fun? Did you think Boofy should have come with us?
He didn't.
Oh. What about Phoebe?
He didn't.
Mm. What about John?
John is far away.
Oh. Okay.
But someone. We have many mangoes now. And
Mm.
someone. There are mangoes again.
No. What?
Look.
What is it?
Dog is evil.
Which one? That one? Why?
That baby cat here.
Where?
Kanina.
Was it kanina or kahapon? Oh no. Yeah, I saw that too. Do you think the black dog killed her?
Maybe. That's one.
Oh no.
Oh, I think Phoebe has a mommy. Phoebe has Dado. Dado is his mommy.
Mm.
Phoebe has a mommy, and Dado is old now because Phoebe is her mother.
That is true.